Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 5 different types of cardio used for weight loss. No need to pause here. We are actually going to go over this Howard Health chart throughout this video and highlight calories burned with each workout. This is the time to fall in love with cardio, guys. It's going to be one of the key elements in your weight loss journey. Treadmills burn calories at a higher rate than any cardio machine. Make it your goal to hit at least 4 to 6 miles per hour in order to burn belly fat wrapped around your internal organs. Start with at least 20 to 30 minutes 3 or 4 times a week. Number 2, cycling. It's fun, a low impact exercise, and it's easy on your joints. Jump in on one of those group fitness classes or cycle outdoors. Guys, studies have shown that people who cycle regularly have an increased insulin sensitivity and a lower risk of heart disease and cancer. Swimming is a great cardio, especially for people with injuries or joint issues. I know you guys thought you were going to catch me swimming in this video. For those of you just starting out with your weight loss journey, walking is easy, convenient, and low impact, meaning it's less stress on your joints. Using incline is an awesome way to build muscle and increase calorie burn. Alright, number 5, weight training. It's an awesome way to lose weight, guys. It builds strength and muscles, which can increase the amount of calories your body burns during and after your workout. Besides losing body fat, just remember guys, exercise improves your mood, increases your strength, and reduces the risk of many chronic diseases. I hope this video was helpful for all you beginners out there in your weight loss journey.